I'm creating this Hallowen look overdrawing on my previous black smoky eyeshadow look. You can find it out on the card button. Now I'm using this black kohl pencil overdrawing on my previous lipstick to make it black. Now I'm grabbing some black eyeshadow with the flat brush and tapping it all over my lips to make it bold, black and matte. Now I'm taking my Lakme Instaliner water resistant eyeliner. I'm using it to draw some lines starting from both corners of my lips, and it will be drawn until it looks like a Joker face. Now I'm taking a soft definer brush and grabbing some brown eyeshadow and giving some shadow to the lines so that it looks like real skin cuts and it gives a depth to the lines. Now I am taking the same kohl pencil to define and overdraw my lower lash lines. Now I am taking the same eyeliner to draw a cut starting from the right lower lash line to the face. To give it more realistic look, I am using a soft crease brush, grabbing some red eyeshadow and buffing out the edges of the cut. Now I am grabbing some brown eyeshadow with the same crease brush and blending the outside of the red lines so that it looks so much realistic with the skin and matches with the skin shade. I'm taking a BB cream which is much lighter than my shade with the spot liner brush from Zoeva and highlighting on some points of the cut and blending it with my fingers. So the easiest forever Hallowen look is complete. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon beside, give a thumbs up and share to your friends.